Youth work is listening to young people, being a pair of ears to share their concerns and understand their fears, supporting a teen on that tricky transition from childhood to adulthood, sharing experiences from camping to caving, from singing and drawing to cooking and campaigning, being in their corner, a helpful hand, to show them the way, to help them understand, be it a job application form, a CV or a reference. We're always there for them on demand. The best bit of youth work, a journey long travelled, is seeing them grow and seeing them fulfil the potential that you always know that they had. And when they stop and say thanks for all you did for me, you were my youth worker, and for that I'm glad.